Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable Shop Pay in Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and from here what we're gonna do once you're currently logged in is that you want to go into your settings right here, and from here you want to go click here into payments. And from here, as you can see, I have the Shop Pay available right here with my Shopify payments. So if you can see this right here, chances are Shopify payments is not available on your region. So in my case, since my store is located in, it's located in United States, as you can see right here, it's built in United States. So I have Shopify payments right here because it is available in the US. But if you are just faking that your store will be built in the United States so that you would have Shopify payments, then that will not work because you would need information that is required from residents that is from that certain area, which is United States, which you will be seeing later on when we go and submit our information. So your other option, if you don't have Shopify payment available, you can just change your billing address right here into the regions or countries that is Shopify payments enabled. So let's go back into payments right here and let's just enable our Shop Pay now. Click on Activate Shop Pay. And from here, click on Activate. And there it is. It is now activated. As you can see, Stripe updated. And now from here, we're just gonna go click here on Submit Details. And now here it is, set up Shopify payments. If you haven't done that yet, then I'm just gonna go for individual. And from here, I am just gonna go and I'm gonna go fill this all up with and also finish all of these steps and complete this process. And now once you have successfully activated Shop Pay, what you need to do next is to check if it has now been integrated into your store. So you want to click here on Online Store. And from here, what you want to do is view your store right here. So you want to go and preview your store right here. And let's see. Here it is. Here's my store. So this is just a sample store that I created for this tutorial. So I'm just going to go into my catalog and view a product right here and see if we now have Shop Pay here in my products. So right here. So now let's click on this product right here. And from here, as you can see, if you don't have Shop Pay enabled, it will look like this. But if you have Shop Pay enabled, then it would look like this. So yeah, that is basically how you can enable Shop Pay in Shopify. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.